Hello friends, in this video we'll see how to calculate the GCD of the two numbers in just a single line. So friends, in the first you have seen how to calculate the GCD of the two numbers using Euclidean algorithm, but forget it friends. In this video I'll show you how to calculate it in just a single line. In just one line you can calculate the GCD, and there is a inbuilt function for it. There is inbuilt function for it to calculate the GCD. Okay, let's start it. So first of all, come here and select C++14. Okay, so write the code here. So first write as include iostream. Okay, then using namespace standard. Okay, then inside this main function write here, okay, two numbers, integer a and v. We take the inputs from the user, so scene a and v. Take two numbers from the user, then we'll calculate the GCD of these two numbers. And there is an inbuilt function for calculating the GCD of these two numbers. So what is the name of this inbuilt function? The name of this inbuilt function is GCD. So right here underscore, so right here underscore, then GCD in the small letter, and then write these two variables here, and this will calculate your GCD of two numbers. Okay, so store the result in a variable, suppose int result. Okay, store this result in a result variable and finally output it, okay, and finally output it using cout. So write here result, and this will give you the result. Okay, before compiling we have to do something. This inbuilt function is included in a header file, and the name of the header file is algorithm. So right here has include. Okay friends, so let's run it and see if it works or not. Okay, let's give some inputs here. So suppose 24 and 36. So the GCD of 24 and 36 is 12. So this is the output, and this works fine. So please note this into your notebook, and don't forget to subscribe to Input Output Campus.